Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2009 Kawasaki ZX-6R. This bike has approximately 17,000 miles and is offered for $59.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is amazing looking super sport. Has some nice features on it that the previous customer had added. A fender eliminator kit, kind of tightens up the back end there. Also integrates the turn signals into the rear tail light. Also a nice M4 exhaust that you'll hear in just a moment. Frame sliders, which are a nice safety feature right there in case you should drop the bike in your driveway. It protects the plastics on it. Also added some nice adjustable levers and a semi-smoked shield there. This is an amazing bike. It's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change, a safety check on it, and she's all dialed in ready to go. We could provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.